There are so many people here. You've lost your stonks. Welcome to Tokyo. Welcome to Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. So Tokyo Auto Salon is probably everything and anything to do with automotive culture in Japan. So you've got all your mainstream manufacturers right down to your tuners, all your accessories and all your Hot Wheels and that sort of stuff, which we'll be checking out in a minute. There are so many people here. I suggest never coming.
Never coming.
See, everybody is trying to cash in on the VSs, getting one out hot. If you already got them, you've lost your stonks. Finally, a Liberty Walk car like. Looking at every replacement possibility of maybe one of these. Just trying to weigh up if a awning and we can actually go above 55 miles an hour, which would be absolutely fantastic. We just need to do some for the back, see how much stock we can get in it. But I think
it's not a replacement, it's a bigger brother.
Bigger brother. And we can have a trailer on the back to tow the little brother. What are you doing, Johnny?
I'm just watching right now.
Yeah. Have you seen what's on the plate?
No.
It says Franks Seabass Night Game.